Alright, Assalamualaikum and hi to all of you. So my name is Muhammad Shakirin bin Zakaria from EMD to M2A1. So here I'm about to present my mini project for CXC 430. But first, I would like to appreciate and thank you to my beloved lecturers and my classmates for teaching me and also helping me through finishing this project. For my project title, I choose to build my program which is named Sports Tournament Registration System. And this tournament is named Kaspa Sport Festival, which is based in Selangor. And for the project description, in the system, I am the event organizer is managed to create a C++ program for the participants or the players to register themselves for this tournament. So in this program, it can collect the data of the players or the participant, and anyone who are interested in joining this tournament, they can fill the form in the system. So what can my system do? So there are three spots that this event is organized, which is football, basketball, and volleyball. So the players can choose either one of them, and players can enter their club name and also their teammates' name, and they can choose their match venue and the match date that are available in this tournament. In this program also, they can calculate the registration fee, the food and drinks for the players, that if players want to buy food and drinks, and the tournament merchandise that is available in this tournament. So what programming practice do I use? I use all of the programming practice that I've been learned, which is sequence statement, DC in, then NC out statement, the selection, if else, nested if, switch statement, and many more. The repetitive statement, which is for loop, do while loop, and while loop, and also the function I use for calculate food, calculate drinks, and calculate tournament merchandise, and the area here for listing all my teammates' name. So how my program works, I will show you next. Alright, thank you. Let's go. Alright, so this is my program. So let's run this program together. Alright, and compile and run. Alright, for the first, alright. Okay, for the first display, the display will look like this. It shows Kaspa Sport Festival, and press any key to continue. And we have to choose the three spots that this event is organized, which is football, basketball, and volleyball. So let's say if I misentered the key, such as I misentered the Q, it will loop and it shows the invalid input. So we have to do it again. So let's say I will choose basketball here, and it shows like this. So it says congratulations, you have successfully registered for basketball. And if you want to change no, I would say no. So I like to put my club name, which is Dragon FC, and you need 8 players in order to join for basketball. So I just put my classmate's name, Syara Amir. What else? Muhammad. Alright, so it shows all team members need to pay for 10 ringgit. So press any key, and it will print out all the club name and the name that I have registered. And it also shows the total registration fee, which is 80 ringgit. So do you want to make change? No. So this is actually the same like before. Every process that in this program is basically the same for the if else selections. So here I put A for Shah Alam, and it will shows like this. So if I want to change the match venue, let's say yes, and it will loop again to the venue for match. And let's say I would say Kacang, it will show like this. So no, press any key. So choose the date, just choose either 1 or 2 or 3. So let's say if I misentered, which is 5, let's say, it will loop again and it shows the invalid input. So here I put do while repetition for my program. So enter your choice, like say 1. So it will show like this, no. Alright, so do you wish to buy food and drink? Yes. So it will display like this. So let's say I would like to buy snacks, which is S. Quantity, say 5, sorry. Okay, it will show the total payment. So here I use void function for the calculate food. So press any key. So the drinks also, it's actually the same thing like the food one, the calculate food. So let's say I, quantity 6, total payments is 13 ringgit 20 cents. So it's actually the same like before. Alright, so do you wish to buy any tournament merchandise? So let's say yes. So I just have to put my choice, which is like I want to buy the jersey one. So it shows note that you will get 10% discount if your purchase is above 10 items. So let's say if I want to buy the jersey for my team, which is 8, or I want to buy more, which is above 10 items, let's say 15 jersey. So it will show the total for jersey, and it actually have been deduct for the discount. So it will show lastly it will show the receipt of my food, drinks, and merchandise. It shows the quantity and also the total payment that I need to pay for each of them. So that's all from me. So if we go through the code that I have been put. So here is my preprocessor here, the in main here. This is my function declaration, the in end, the float end. Here is to recall back my function, recall the value. So in my system, I mostly use if else statement and also do while statement. And I also use for and array here. Alright. And every process that in my program is actually the same thing for every task that I've been with. So that's all. Thank you.